Okay. So when we are talking about solid waste in Delhi, the major problem is the waste is not properly managed, and there is a failure of the government. There is a failure of the municipal corporation, and this is the failure of the all population, entire city, all people who are living in Delhi. This is complete failure. So when we can see the composition of the waste, 50% waste in Delhi is organic in nature, which can be converted into a compost, but if it is properly segregated. The second component is non-biodegradable waste, which include plastic and you can say metals and paper and all these things, which is 30%, and remaining 20% is inert waste, which include the construction waste and other waste which takes lot of time in its degradation. So sometimes it takes very long time in the degradation, and this waste is actually very dangerous. Why is it so? Because you see, this waste which is thrown here, it contains silt, stones, construction debris, soil also, some stones are there, then all these tiles and all these things. So this construction waste, which is inert waste, actually can stay in the environment for a very long time. It will not decompose easily, and the major drawback is it will release lot of dust particles, and these dust particles which are very minute particles, which will come in the form of particulate matter 2.5, particulate matter 10, and in other categories also. So it releases lot of dust particles, and these dust particles will also become part of the air, and it can cause air pollution. So on this entire road, which is stretching for about 4 to 5 kilometers, you can see the construction waste is dumped here all the way. On this entire road, the construction waste is dumped. That side of the road also, you can see the construction waste is thrown on the entire road. On entire road, just 4 to 5 kilometers away. So now, what is the solution? Here you can see this construction waste. This is the toilet seat, which is it takes very long time in its decomposition, and if you will keep it here, it will not degrade at all. It will not degrade. So what is the solution for this one? So because how we are making the cement, we just crush the stone and convert it into powder. In the same way, we can have some machines which can crush this seat, toilet seat, then it will convert into powder form, and that powder form will minimize the space, and we can apply this powder in any place easily. So in the same way, this construction waste can also be converted into powder form, so that it will minimize the space, and this powder can be used as a soil or filling up the areas. Yeah, this entire road is covered, very long distance, you can say 4 to 5 kilometer distance. This entire road is having this construction waste, and the area is Gazipur landfill site. Just next to on one side there is a Gazipur landfill site, and on another side, on the road side, they have thrown this construction waste. And major factor which I would like to highlight is how long this waste will remain here. Sometime decades. No one is looking into this one. No one is taking care. That side also, lot of waste you can see. Construction waste is thrown, and maybe decades this is lying here. This some construction waste is new, but most of the waste is lying here for decades. By vegetation growth itself, you can see it's very old. Very old construction waste. And people are getting affected during the rainy season. There will be a lot of smell, rodents, and this and that. So many things are there which is not very healthy for the people who are living here. So the people are dumping the waste there. You see, come here. You see, the vehicle is there. They are dumping the construction waste there, and no one is bothered. Municipal corporation, what is their role, what they are supposed to do, they have no clue what they are going to do with this waste, very dangerous. And in between they have thrown some garbage also. It's very smelly, very dirty, very bad smell is coming. There is in between, there is nala. So proper mechanism need to be find out to manage this construction waste. If construction waste is kept separately, well and good. Otherwise, if it is mixed with other waste, again it becomes more and more problematic, more and more complicated, because first you need to segregate the waste, you need to remove plastic and all these things, and then you will deal with the deal with the construction waste. So how you are going to deal with the construction waste? The same process, same method I told you. You just simply crush into powder, and that powder can be used for filling up the low-lying areas or depressions. So this is the best way. So lot of construction waste can be taken care, and lot of space can be freed.